Meantime, Hunter Biden pleaded not guilty to criminal gun charges in a court in Delaware today. The president's son was arraigned on 3 charges related to owning a handgun while being a drug user. NBC 10's Lauren Make has the details from Wilmington.
This time, the court appearance for Hunter Biden was fairly routine, and it took less than 30 minutes. Hunter Biden pleaded not guilty, though his attorney is arguing there is still an agreement in place. Hunter Biden back in the federal courthouse in Wilmington to face gun charges. To understand why he's here today, rewind a little more than 2 months to a July hearing when a plea deal between the president's son and Department of Justice prosecutors unraveled in the courtroom.
The situation is very, very rare for something like this to happen.
NBC 10 legal analyst Enrique Latoison calls the case a political football.
No one would be involved with, making headlines for these type of charges if not their name is Hunter Biden. And that's whether you like him or you hate him. And I don't take a stance on either one. I'm just simply saying that this is a political football case.
Politics surrounds the case outside the courthouse, where in Wilmington, a couple of protesters showed up, and in Washington, Republicans are opening an impeachment inquiry into President Biden, citing Hunter Biden's business dealings, but so far revealing no evidence of wrongdoing by the president. Attorney General Merrick Garland has insisted no one from the White House gave any direction on the case, overseen by a special counsel who's also Delaware's U.S. attorney. Hunter Biden's attorney Abby Lowell today in a statement claiming, quote, "These charges are the result of political pressure from President Trump and his MAGA allies to force the Justice Department to ignore the law and deviate from its policies in cases like this one," unquote. The U.S. Attorney's Office in Delaware today declining to comment on that allegation. The gun charges against Hunter Biden stem from the purchase of a handgun in Wilmington in 2018. The government alleging Biden lied on a form stating he was not addicted to or using drugs and had that gun when he wasn't supposed to, also related to his drug use at the time. Hunter Biden's attorney today saying they'll be filing motions, including a motion to dismiss, raising constitutionality issues with the law and citing that agreement he says is still in place.
His defense is, of course, is going to file motions. They're going to say that we did things to rely on this agreement that we thought we had.
The judge revealed today that Hunter Biden has already been in touch with the probation department in California and that he has passed drug tests. Now, the conditions for Hunter Biden to stay out of prison while this case plays out include not using drugs or alcohol and letting the court know about any international travel in writing. In Wilmington, I'm Lauren Make, NBC 10 News.